My name is Lionheart. I'm a spoken word artist. This poem is called The Norm, and what I find interesting about it is whenever I share these stories and these narratives, people tend to assume that they're experiences that no one goes through. Here goes. You sit on the train. They stare from their seats. You catch their eyes. They look away. You look away. They stare. Again. They don't know you. They know you people. This is normal. You go to the shops. They give you an awkward look. You say good morning to a neighbor, and for the 100th time, they're shocked. In their mind, they've never seen you before. This is normal. You walk a familiar road. They cross the familiar road. You pass them by, they cross back over. You never look back. They're still looking back. This is normal. You notice them. They notice you. They suddenly catch a cold and cough callously. This is normal. You're the interviewee. They're the interviewer. Your voice, lighter than your skin, places your blackness in a safe and calls this professionalism. They feel safe, secure. You get the job. This is normal. We are the beautiful resistance. Love music, hate racism.